Honey garlic pork chops. Nice and juicy. Gonna start off with some clean pork chops. Add some garlic powder, along with some ground black pepper and some parsley flakes. Can't forget that little packet of Sazon. That one little pack goes a long ways. Get that all nice and mixed in. Let that sit for about an hour or two. Now we're going to add some olive oil to a hot pan. Pan got heated up. Now it's time to add the pork chops. We're going to brown these for about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We're not trying to cook it 100%, trying to cook it about 80%, 85%. 4 minutes up, go ahead and turn those over. Next 4 minutes are up. Take those out. Add about a tablespoon and a half of butter, along with some balsamic vinegar, some soy sauce. Can't forget the honey. Get that all in there. Had to add some more extra honey to that. Stir that all in. Get it all stirred. Let that cook for about 1.5 minutes. Add a little bit more dollop of butter. Star the show. Minced garlic. That there is about equivalent of 2 garlic cloves. Stir that all in. Let that cook for another 45 seconds. Now it's time to go ahead and add that pork chop back to the pan. Move that all around. Gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. About 5 minutes to do it. Mix that all in. And all that goodness on the bottom of that pan, you want to make sure as you're turning this, you're going to put that on top of the pork chops. Can't forget to do that. That lid on. About 2-3 minutes later, you want to go ahead and start mixing that around. And like I said before, all that goodness on the bottom, you want to make sure you get it all on both sides. Just take your time, turn it over, and do that to each and every one. That lid back on. About a minute later. Look at that. Honey, garlic, pork chops. Can't go wrong. Yes, indeed. Thank you.